Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for February 16 to 29, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And of course, please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Pisces. Let's see your energies for the second half ng February 2024. Okay, you have the 7th house, Venus in Cancer. Okay, 7th house is relationships, partnerships. Maaring yan yung focus ninyo second half ng February. You have Venus here, so the planet of love, luxury, money. So maaring yung iba sa inyo may business partnership napapasukin ngayon. Pwede rin naman kasing hindi romantic relationship yan. But for some people naman, for some of you Pisces, you are going to commit sa isang romantic relationship. Yung iba ikakasal. You have Cancerian energy here. So this is about protection, nurturing. So you are going to protect and love what you have right now in terms of romantic relationship or financial business partnership, ganyan. Okay, let's see. Ano pa? Ano yung moon message for you, Pisces? Moon message. Hold your vision. Ayan. So, ano raw? Manatili ka raw na nakatingin sa iyong mga pangarap, no? Kumbaga, wag kang bibitaw. Ayan. Hold on. It's time to release negativity. So, pag may mga, may mga negative thinking ka, i-dismiss mo yun, no? Iwasan mo yung negative thinking kasi nakaka-apekto yan sa iyong manifestation abilities. Oo. Na yung parang nagda-doubt ka kaagad sa mga minamanifest mo. Siyempre, mas maganda na positive lang, no? Positive ang iyong energies. Communication is the key. So, ngayong second half ng February, you will be communicating with more people. So, maaari ngayon mas magiging expressive ka sa gusto mong sabihin, sa totoong nararamdaman mo, para ma-convey mo talaga yung message na gusto mo. Oo, yung totoo, tapat, no? Yung tipong the honest truth. Yan yung mas ipapractice mo ngayon to tell someone how you feel, what are your thoughts, anong naiisip mo, ganun. And then, let's see your overall energy. You have the Wheel of Fortune, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles. Wow, okay. So, Wheel of Fortune, this is about karma and destiny. I think you are being led to your destiny, yung iyong life's purpose. Some of you are meant to help others, no? Lalo na if you are really blessed, you are also encouraged na mag-share ng blessings mo to others kasi the more na mag-share ka ng blessings sa iba, the more na ikaw ay binibless. You also have the Death card, which is about transformation. So, meron kang major change na nangyayari or mangyayari sa'yo ngayong second half ng February. Maaring this is related to your finances. Meron kang maaring sisimula na business, career, na babago sa dynamic ng iyong paraan ng pagkita ng pera. So, yung tipong upgrade. This is what I'm seeing. So, may upgrade for you when it comes to your career. Or, yung iba naman, pwede rin merong pag-travel. Meron kang pupuntahan na lugar para makapag-relax, makapag-enjoy, or yung iba naman, this is related to your business or yung mga projects na gusto mong gawin. So, meron kang mga kakausapin ngayong second half ng February para sa mga ideas mo. So, maaring marami ka naiisip na business ideas or gusto mong gawin, no? In general. But definitely, there is a new beginning for you. Pwedeng sa relationship talaga to kasi with the 7th house here, yung iba papasok sa relationship. magpapakasal. Yung iba naman, magbi-business, no? Business partnership. So, sa money, career, finances, 10 of Wands, marami ka ngayong responsibilities. O, maaring overloaded, no? Yung iyong trabaho, yung sa career mo. So, if you feel na parang hindi na worth it, then i-reassess mo kung kaya mo pang magstay dyan. O, 7 of Wands, tinatry mo na magstay sa career, sa business na meron ka ngayon. Kaya lang, yung iba sa inyo nasa stress na. So, I think ito yung isa rin sa babaguhin nyo, no? Sa transformation na mangyayari sa inyo ngayong second half ng February is to reassess your situation sa career mo, kung kaya mo pang i-handle yung toxicity, yung negativity, or yung stress. Yung iba naman, na may kinalaman sa tulog, no? Yung tipong hindi ka na nakakatulog ng maayos dahil maaring hindi ka sanay sa graveyard shift, or lagi kang kinakausap ng boss mo, laging may mga added na trabaho na binibigay sa'yo. So, maaring hindi na nagiging balanse yung oras at panahon mo para sa sarili mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, at sa trabaho mo. Kaya maaring nire-rethink mo, no? Nire-reassess mo yung situation. Is this what I really want? No? So, kaya mo pa bang ipagpatuloy yan? Or, bibigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo na ma-discover ang iba pang paraan para kumita ng pera. So, tinan natin yung love life. Love life. You have the 2 of Wands. You have the Queen of Pentacles. So, you may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and then water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, some of you are nasa relationship kayo na very supportive ang iyong person. Oo, na kumbaga you complement each other, na kapag ikaw yung kailangan ng tulong, ng suporta, nandyan siya para sa'yo. Kapag naman yung partner mo kailangan ng suporta, tulong, nandun ka para sa kanya. So, very maganda yung dynamics ng relationship ninyo. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring kino-convince kayo ng person nyo na mag-business kayong dalawa, or it's the other way around. Yung partner mo, kino-convince ka na mag-business kayong dalawa, or meron kayong gawing project together para meron kayong another source of income. So, very generous yung energy ng relationship ninyo. Maaring generous kayo sa mga material na bagay sa isa't isa. Generous din kayo ng love, no? Ng attention, ayan, care. So, I think pareho rin kayong creative. So, marami kayong pwedeng gawin, kayang gawin together. So, it's just a matter of making a decision right now kung saan na kayo papunta moving forward. Kasi, yung isa sa inyo, alam na niya, no? Malakas yung kanyang instinct, yung kanyang intuition. Although the other one is, iniisip niya yung practicality, yung what is logical, ano yung realistic. So, kaya maaring sa ngayon, medyo nahihirapan kayong mag-decide which is best for you. But I think this person is very much supportive. Ano man yung mapagdesisyonan mo. Kasi parang ayaw rin naman yung nahihirapan ka. Kung marami ka ng burden sa trabaho, sa business, at sa career mo na yan, and kumbaga nasistress ka na, then maybe kailangan mo na rin pakinggan yung partner mo. Kung kinukonvince ka talaga niya na, try other opportunities. Beware of self-delusion. New news of new birth. O, diba? Merong new business opportunity sa inyo. Pwede rin namang merong manganganak sa family. Parang merong bagong member of the family. No? Itong self-delusion, ito yung minsan akala natin, iniisip natin na, uy, everything is okay. Everything is awesome, wonderful. Pero in reality, hindi na. Okay? So, mas maganda rin na pareho nyo i-reassess. Realistic pa ba siya? At kung ano yung pwede pang gawin to make things work, pero kung hindi na maayos, then, hanap ng iba na opportunity. So, you may be dealing with a younger woman. Ayan. So, maaring yung person mo ay younger woman, or ikaw ito na energy. So, there is a young person in this relationship. Meron ka talagang new creative ideas, new ventures, and a fresh start. Pisces. So, I think yan yung i-consider ninyo ngayong second half ng February. Itong new creative ideas ninyo. You will go for it. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!